Hello guys, Kem Cho. So today video is basically problem solving video. Many people have problem in VS Code setup for the Salesforce or the Lightning Web component. So today we are going to set up VS Code for Lightning Web component. So any further delay, let's get started. So for the VS Code setup, you have three requirements. So one Salesforce CLI, second is VS Code obviously, and third is Java JDK 8 or 13. So I hope you can fulfill these three requirements easily. So now come into the VS Code and simple for the Lightning Web component, simple press Ctrl Shift and P. So command palette is open and first type the sfdx create project and hit the enter, and then after select the standard project template, hit enter and enter the project name. Simple, I have to enter demo and hit enter. Then after VS Code asking to you which folder you have to choose. Here simple, I choose Salesforce folder in my desktop. So create project. You can see over here your command is running. It's take some time. After you can see demo project create over here. After the project created, you have to connect this project to Salesforce org. So let me show you how. So simple, in the VS Code press Ctrl Shift P and sfdx authorize on org, press enter. Simple, select the default URL here, press enter and enter the org alias, default alias, press enter. So your VS Code is bringing to your web browser and ask the username for the Salesforce org. So simple, some problem is over here. Whenever you try to complete to this module, then you work on this org, and when VS Code asks you to username, whenever you enter your default developer org ID. So you not connect your VS Code to Trailhead org, and instead of you connect your personal developer ID. So here it is my Salesforce personal developer ID. You can see over here. So by default, whenever you save your ID and password in Chrome extension setting, so here username is already by default your Salesforce developer ID. When you have to complete this module, so instead of your default ID, you have to log in with different username, and here you have to pass this org. Example, my Trailhead Playground 10 user ID, enter over here. So how can you find it? In the playground, go to the setup and then go to the user. In this user panel, you can see this user I have to work on playground. So you have to log in with this user for VS Code to complete your this module. So here you have to enter your Trailhead org username instead of your personal Salesforce username. So after the enter the username and password, the one pop-up generate over here, global access asking, and click enter. So you have to easily connect with your playground org, not the personal developer org. So this problem is solved easily.